This is the gold standard of clinker facade, time-proof technologies. Certified by European Union materials allows Royal Façade to create environmentally safe and flame-proof clinker thermalpanels. Manufacturing process of repeated tile pressing into insulator makes such connection durable. House front with clinker thermalpanels is an upscale approach in modern construction which gives the building a presentable exterior and creates comfortable environment in your house. The customer of Royal Façade Company will be provided with full range of services including energy audit, 3D imaging, assembling and guarantee services for 15 years. Over the years we have insulated hundreds of buildings. Our experience of many years and desire to create the best allows to save up to 45% of energy sources, which considerably saves your money. Royal Façade is a member of European compensation program for 35% from the cost of home insulation and makes the implementation of the projects more reasonable. Quick and easy assembly at any surface any time of the year allows to eliminate the suspension of made decision. Each year we scale new heights, but the quality remains the same. Clinker thermalpanels Royal Façade is your choice.